Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to register EasyPass Tag NY first. Go to the EasyPass New York website. Once the website opens, click on Pay Your Tolls. Here you can enter your toll bill account number or violation number if you need to manage an existing toll payment. You may also be asked to enter your license plate number or tag information to locate your records. Now click on EasyPass from the top menu. Then go to EasyPass on the go and select Register on the go tag. This option is used to activate and register a new EasyPass tag that you purchased from a retail location. Next, choose the type of service or account you would like to create. You will be asked to enter your personal information, including your name, address, email address, and phone number. Now enter the EasyPass tag number exactly as it appears on your tag or packaging. Then add your vehicle information, such as the license plate number, state, make, model, and vehicle type. After that, provide a payment method such as a credit card or bank account to fund your EasyPass account and cover future toll charges. Review all the information you entered to make sure it is correct. Then, submit the registration form and wait for the confirmation message. Once your registration is complete, your EasyPass tag will be linked to your account and you'll be able to manage your balance, vehicles, payment methods, and account settings online anytime. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.